Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get this super pretty Pinteresty holiday girl makeup in literally 5 minutes. And it just looks so flattering and it's perfect for a holiday party. And it's also super easy to do, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first step is of course a good primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer because I feel like it makes your face really glowy and it's perfect for this holiday look. I also love blending my concealer and my foundation so it doesn't look so cakey and it just looks super blended. So I'm going to be using my NARS concealer and just putting it on any spots that need some coverage. And I also put a little bit under my eyes. Before I blend this, I also love getting some of my foundation. I'm using my Rare Beauty one and I just like to put some dots on my cheeks so it kind of looks like a bronzer. And once that's done, I just blend it together. Once that's all blended, I just use some setting powder. This one is the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I've been loving this recently because it just makes your face super glowy. And then I just brush off the excess. Then I'm going in with my putty blush, and this one is in a super pretty coral color. And also a little bit on my nose. Then we're gonna move on to the eyes, and I think the easiest hack is just to use tape to get that like sharp cut on our eyeshadow. I know it looks weird, but it's one of those trust the process things. For this look, I'm using this kind of old Morphe palette that I just had lying around. You can use literally any eyeshadow palette. So for the shadow, I'm gonna be picking up some dark brown and putting that on the outer corners just to give a slight wing. Then I'm gonna pick up this deep red and kind of smudge that right there. Then in a different palette, I have this gold shimmer shade and I'm gonna drop that in the middle. And this gives you such a beautiful glittery ombre that doesn't take too much effort. Next, I'm gonna pick up a white shimmer and just put that in the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm just gonna do a little bit on my nose and right here. Also a little bit on my cupid's bow. Once that is done, we can remove our tape. And I'm just gonna define the wing using some black eyeliner. Then we're gonna go in with our mascara. After that, we're just gonna finish off with some red lipstick and gloss. This one is from Sephora. And yeah, that is it for the final look. I really hope this video was helpful. As always, all of the products are going to be listed in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'd love to know what you guys are most excited for this holiday season. For me, I know it's going to be a cup of hot cocoa and some nice movies. But yeah, happy holidays, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.